Welcome to my channel. Myself Saboni Thara. So in the last lecture we have completed fixed installment method with the formula. So now we will going to solve today as an example for it. Okay. So the original cost of an asset is 80,000 and the depreciation is charged at the rate 10% per annum at fixed installment method. Then the amount of depreciation will be computed as follows. So here what they are talking about the original cost of the asset is 80,000 and the depreciation which is charged is 10% per annum at fixed installment method. So in this particular method what we need to do is this: depreciation for the first year will be 80,000 multiplied by 10%, that is 10 upon 100. So we are getting 8,000 per annum. Okay. So with the WDV, written down value method, 80,000 minus 8,000 will give you 72,000 at the end of the first year. Okay. So on the other hand, on the second year, 80,000 multiplied by 10%, you will get 8,000 as usual. And again in the WDV, we need to deduct from this amount to this particular amount here. Okay, so 72,000 minus 8,000, we will get 64,000 on the second year. On the other hand, depreciation on the third year will be again 8,000 and then 64,000 minus 8,000 will gives you 56,000. Okay, so like this the things will be in a different way, and on the other hand we are going to get the fourth year, that is 48,000 of that particular assets. So this is only the method of calculating depreciation as per fixed installment method, which is written already in the question. So in this method, the depreciation is charged every year on the original cost. Here you need to understand, this is a very important line. Okay. So that is what here they are talking all about, and this is what called straight line method, because the amount is not going to change. So that's why 8,000 is there for each and every year, that is first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year and sixth year. Alright. On the other hand, when we are talking about the diminishing, reducing or written down value method, under this method the depreciation is calculated as a certain percentage each year on the balance of the assets which is brought forward from the various years. So in other words, under this method depreciation is calculated as a specific percentage on the value of that assets which stands in the books of accounts on the opening date of each year. So the amount of the depreciation charged per year is not fixed. So in the diminishing marginal utility, in the diminishing method, we need to understand that it is not being fixed for each and every year. It is going to be decreased by year. Okay. So the charges of the depreciation is initial period are higher than those of the later period. So in the initial period it will be like this. So just explain with the same example written over here. For the first year it will be 8,000. So when it will be deducted from the original cost, we will get 72,000. But in the fixed installment method, the installment method was fixed, right? And it was calculated on the original method. But in the WDV, that is written down value method, in that balance, based on balance, we need to take out the percentage of 10%. So that's why in the second year, it is to be noted that 7,200, and later on again 10% will be deducted from the balance and you will get 6,480 per annum. And then again it is going to be deducted from the price of the balance. So we are getting 58,320 on the third year, and again the same sequences is going on, that is 5,832 will be the rate of depreciation, that is 10%, and at the end after deducting with the balance we are getting 52,488. So that is what here they are talking all about. So in this method the depreciation is charged on the original for the only first year, and from the next year it is to be charged on the written down value method of the asset, means the balancing of the assets of each year. So it is charged on the opening balances of the every year. So here you need to understand this funda, and that's what here they are written like this in the graph. That is 8,000 in the first year, then second year it is approximately below the 8,000, third year it goes down, then down, then down. So that's why it is called as what? Written down. Okay, so it is called as what? Written down. The spelling over here is mistaken. Okay, P will not be there. Okay, so this is what all about the methods of two methods with illustration, and I hope that you all understood the things very clearly. And students, you need to write this differences between fixed installment method and written down value method very properly, so that you can understand the things very clearly. So that's it for today's lecture. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.